That's a big difference, right? Hey friend, welcome back home to Cat Eye Glamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. And I have a really exciting haul slash demo review of the new Opulent Lust glosses by Pat McGrath Labs. Keep watching. First, let's talk about price. I purchased a trio. So it came with 3 glosses and that retailed for $75. But if you buy each individual gloss, which you can, it would cost you $30 a gloss. She had a couple different trios. She actually has one of the entire package, which that I believe is about $190 for all of the glosses, which that sounds like a lot for glosses. But these glosses are different. They're luxury glosses. It's not for the weak. Okay, it's not for the weak. So excited to get these glosses, and let's talk about how it was packaged. It came in a black box, similar to the box that MAC normally mails out, but it came in a black box, but it had like black confetti. Do you see that? Do you see all this fun stuff, girl? Yes, so it came packaged like that. So automatically I was impressed because I'm like, wow, they didn't just stuff it in a box and send it to me. And they shouldn't, because these glosses cost enough to the point where I felt like I should have seen Pat McGrath in the damn box. But since she wasn't there, she bought funfetti, okay? The glosses come in a really nice pink glittery box. I'll show you one here. So pretty. These will look so good like on your vanity. All right, so I was impressed. The packaging is really nice. So let's take one out so we can see how it looks, just to see the size of the glosses. And this is so nice. This color is called Naked Rose. So you can see the gloss has her logo here on the top. So lush. This is so pretty. They put a lot into the packaging. It's super sleek. Okay, you can see the color here. And these are pretty big glosses, just to kind of compare to, let's say, a MAC lip gloss. That's a big difference, right? And one of their, let's compare it to something that's a little bit like their cream sheen glosses. This is by MAC, just to compare. Still a lot bigger. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and swatch Naked Rose. I'm swatching on my hand so you guys can see it. You see that? It is so pretty. It's coming through really metallic. I'm going to try it on my lips next, but I just want you guys to see. Okay, so this is a better view. This is, wow. That was just one swipe, just so you understand how intense this gloss is. So we're going to go ahead and try it on our lips. Go ahead and try on Naked Rose, the one that I have here in my hand. Look at that. All right, so let's go ahead and try her on. I have my mirror right here, just so I can see, you know, what I'm actually doing. Alrighty. It has a nice soft, kind of like a sweet smell. Smells good though. This lip gloss is so soft. Listen. This is so. All right, so it has a lot of shimmer and glitters in it, but you don't feel it. You know, like sometimes you have lip glosses and it has all the shimmer glitters and you feel that grit, like when you go like this, you feel that grittiness. you don't feel anything. Whatever technology BS they use to take care of this, they did a good job, because look at it. I'm going. I love this gloss. It's really metallic. It has like pink glitters, purple glitters. This is so pretty. I love this. Like, I really love this. So let's move on to the next one, girl. I'm excited. All right, so the next color that we're going for is called Under Your Spell. So, see, this is why I didn't open this before I did this video, because I need you to see my reaction, okay? This is Under Your Spell, and it is so pretty. All right, so let's swatch Under Your Spell next to the Naked Rose. Let me do it here so you can see. Do you see this? So pretty. This has, oh my God, it's so pretty. It's coming through like an iridescent type of pink. Oh, I have to get it in the right light so you guys can really see. This is so pretty. Let's go ahead and put it on our lips, girl. I'm so excited. All right, so let's try Under Your Spell on, okay? You see how it's just one side? I don't have on any lipstick. It's just a swipe of lip gloss. And it is popping. It looks like some sort of lip combo that I did. Like a lipstick and a lip gloss, you know? Just a lip gloss. Dang, this kind of looks purple. Damn, I don't know if you guys can see. Oh my God. Baby. I love it. This is Under Your Spell. And I love it. And I love it. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Are you under my spell? All right, so the next color that we have is Coralison. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but that's how it appears to me. It's Coralison. All right, so this is its color. Another beautiful gloss. I have it swatched here on my hands. See, it's this color here. So it's like, it is like a light coral color. It has some gold glitters in it. So we're gonna go ahead and try it on. Oh yeah, this is my favorite one. Oh yeah. It's so metallic. This is so pretty. I can't get over how soft it is. It's like, to see so much glitter in the lip gloss and you not feel it is the bomb, actually. Because I don't like that gritty feeling. I don't like it when it's super sticky either. This is a perfect formula. No lie. This is worth it. All right, so I'm gonna get kind of closer so you can see. I really like this. Ooh, okay, highlight. You want to make a debut as well? But I love this gloss, girl. All right, so that's it. I don't have any lip glosses left, which is kind of sad. I wish I had more, honestly. This, I would definitely say, is the best set of lip glosses I have ever purchased. And I'm going to go ahead and say that. The fact that it's as thick as it is, it's not sticky, and it has a pound of glitter in each bottle. And I don't feel any grit, anything on my lips. Is super soft, and they feel really moisturizing, because some lip glosses, even though they're glossy, they can definitely dry out your lips. Whatever the hell they put in it, it makes your lips feel dry afterwards. But this one does not. Super soft, it smells great. If you just feel like treating yourself to a luxury item, definitely this would be it. I love these lip glosses. I will definitely be purchasing other things from Pat McGrath Labs. She has concealers coming out this month, I think on the 20th, and I'm buying it. I'm buying the lip gloss and I'm buying the powder, the under eye powder, because I love complexion products. So I'm all on that. And I'll of course give a review. I have 2 more lip videos that's coming up pretty soon. I purchased a few liquid lipsticks from Lime Crime when they had their Valentine's Day sale on pinks and red. I was on it. I purchased Colourpop's new Luxe lip glosses, which launched yesterday. On it. So you have those 2 videos coming out so you guys can see whether or not you want to go ahead and purchase it. So I'll go ahead and do a review on those, and it'll be coming up soon. So as soon as I get that delivery, girl, I'm delivering all the tea to you, okay? I'm gonna let you know whether or not it's popping, okay? But these lip glosses are worth the purchase. Again, it's a treat. So if you feel like just treating yourself out to something nice, get this lip gloss, okay? Be cute. Be cute, friend. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. You can leave a comment. You can ask a question. And don't forget to just subscribe. I was going to say describe. Don't forget to subscribe. Please don't piss me off, okay? Bye.